Hola everyone, I am currently in Barcelona enjoying the Mediterranean, but I'm going to give you guys basically what you're going to be doing today and Friday, so Thursday and Friday. Refer back to this video, it's going to be very helpful as far as instructions and some different things that you're going to need to know. Okay, first things first, okay, when you get to classroom, these are all the things you need to know. For things you need to have done by Tuesday, when I see you on Tuesday. You don't have school on Monday. Okay, first thing, due Friday is your current event discussion. Okay, if you click on that, literally some of you already have it done. Awesome. Okay, remember from your current event, include the title of the article, the hyperlinks, and then number 6 and 7 on the current event, the summary of the article, and the opinion. Once you've submitted it, then you should be able to submit that right away. Okay, that shouldn't be hard. And then you must respond to your classmates. Okay, be sure you do that. Some of you have already put those up there, and now we're waiting on replies. So everybody should get theirs on there, so then people can reply to you. Cool. Okay, so that is due Friday. So that's the first thing. Okay, the next thing you need to worry about is your philosopher memes. Okay, so the chart in the packet that we've worked on, you're definitely going to want to use that. Okay, then you're going to go, I'll just do it right now. I'll change the due date. No stressing. That won't be due until Monday night, midnight. Okay, cool. All right, save. Oh, I need to move this so I can save it. Sorry. Okay, so that is done for you. Okay, so with the philosopher memes, you'll click on it. Each of you will have one of these. The directions are all here.
Teachers, at this time, please hold your kids in their classrooms. Again, teachers, please keep kids in your classrooms until an announcement to clear.
Okay, so you will make a meme for each of the 4 philosophers. Okay, you should be able to use the website, make a meme. Phil has unblocked this for us. If you guys have any issues getting onto this, you can use whatever meme website you want, but I know most of them are blocked. If you have any issues, talk to Phil. He'll get it unblocked for you. Okay, he knows that we use this. All right, so here's the deal. You can upload an image if you want. You can use popular memes. I don't really care. Okay, here I have an example, or I actually use the philosopher's face. You can do that, or you can use popular memes. All right, either one. You must do one for each of the philosophers. Okay, so Hobbes, Locke, Montesquieu, and Rousseau. All right, on make a meme. When you are finished with them, you will attach them to Padlet. All right. This is it right here. You're going to open it on the website and you're going to see oh, yay, this donut Padlet has come on here. I have given you some examples from the past. I saved those on here. Here's the directions that you need to do. Get creative. You'll attach your 4 memes to the Padlet. Make sure you attach your name to them. Looks like Jessica has already done hers. Okay, that's great. So this is where I will look for all of yours and you guys can see everyone. All right. So also you can add one element to the post, so you can either do a GIF or a voice recording, a location or something, and it can be fitting. So this one was, you did a GIF, here's a voice recording. Either is fine. Okay, this is fantastic. All right, so be working on those memes, get those done. They will be in Padlet so everybody can see them from class. Okay, you can access that just through here. Cool. All right, use your guys's packets, but then also use these websites if you have any more, if you want to figure out some more information about any of those philosophers. All right, cool. Moving right along. So that's also done. You guys should be able to get that done. If you use your time wisely, you should be able to do that within a long hour or something. Okay, and then something else now you need to do. Those of you who were in class last week, we started doing types of government notes. That's the PALS notes. You're going to want to do that. You're going to open those up. We're going to complete those so it looks like this. If you were gone, I've provided you with the PowerPoint. You're going to need to fill this out, okay? And I'm going to walk through some of this stuff with you. So these charts need to be done and these questions need to be answered. Okay, and you're going to fill that out, you're going to use types of government. Okay, and if you look there, you can see the Google slide that you're going to need to answer those questions. Okay, so some things that we've already talked about, all right, is like the definition of government, right, what that is, and then government-ish words, this is where we got, okay, was through authority, power, authority, legitimacy, and sovereignty. You need to understand those. Okay, other things you need to understand. Anarchy. Okay, that's one we're going to do. Everything you need to know there. What does that mean? Do we have anarchy? Can it exist? Is that government or is that not government? Dictatorship. What makes it a dictatorship? Okay, can some of these overlap? Okay, here I have examples. What is the root word, the prefix? You might have to look a few things up to make sure that chart gets filled out. An absolute monarchy. What is the difference between absolute monarchy versus a constitutional monarchy? These are important. You must understand those, okay? True democracy, all right? Also a direct democracy. We talked a little bit about that. What is a direct democracy? What is a true democracy? Okay, what is a representative democracy? How is that different all of a sudden from a true democracy? Okay, Go USA, the grand experiment, the OG representative democracy. Dem. What does dem mean? Gosh, please be able to tell me when I come back what dem, D-E-M, dem, what does that mean? Okay, a republic. Ooh, do we have a republic? If so, what kind of republic do we have? Okay, is that a thing? Can you have like multiple governments in one? So can you have like a democratic republic? Okay, communism. Everybody loves communism. Okay, how is that different? So this isn't just a political system, it's also an economic and social system. Theocracy, understand what that means. Theo, keyword theo, what does that mean? Okay, why, where's a theocracy derived from? All right, those are the types of governments that you need to understand, know. Notes are there, fill out those dang charts. Okay, so then the big one. With this, under types of government, you are going to do a flip grid. I'm going to leave here for each of you an assigned type of government. With that assigned type of government, you will go to Flipgrid. It's giving you like the join, so you like log in with Google. Okay. You'll do this, whatever. It's going to want me to log in. It's very simple here. Oops. Sorry. Okay. Once you're in, it's got all these fun things. You are going to do types of government. Each of you have been assigned a type of government. It is your job to tell the pros and the cons of that style of government. Ultimately, you try and convince me to start a nation using that form of government. You have 3 minutes to convince me. A convincing video would mention the negatives, but would not thrive on them. It would also mention an example, but mostly it would explain why a country could thrive under those rules. Swoon me. Convince me. Sell me on it. So once you post your Flipgrid, each other can see it. So here, if you click on this,
hi guys.
Here's a video of me giving a video.
So this is gonna be your first one. I think you're gonna like it. I know I will. Okay, basically what you're gonna do, I've assigned each of you a type of government. We've learned about them, we've read about them, we've taken notes about them. You're gonna want to use your notes. You can do some more research if you would like. The directions are there, but basically you're gonna have 3 minutes to try and convince me.
Okay, so you can watch those there. I basically gave those directions, but it's there again. And you literally will click top record. You get 3 minutes, and then like you take a selfie and you put it on there and blah, blah, blah. Okay, that needs to be done by the time I see you on Tuesday. Okay, that'll be the last thing you have to do there. All right, so I know that was kind of a lot. I know I just went through a lot of things right there, but those are the things, those are the expectations of what you're doing, how you're using your time on Thursday and Friday. I'm going to make sure that you're watching this video. You all please watch it, refer back to it. Everything you need to know is here. I know it's kind of lengthy, but you can refer back and forth to it. So, guys, please be good for your sub. I'm going to make sure that you're watching this. If you have questions, be asking each other. I will try and check my email, but, you know, things will be a little bit weird. So if you have questions, do email me. I'll do my best to get back to you, and all of those things. So let's review. You have your discussion board post. Get that done by Friday. Next thing you have is your philosopher memes. You have all 4. Make sure they get put onto Padlet when they are finished. You have 4, right? And then the third thing, you have types of government's notes. Okay, the PALS notes. You need to finish those. You use the PowerPoint to do so. And then 4, you have your Flipgrid to complete. Okay, types of government. I will give you, I'm going to make a list here with this video attached, what type of government you've been assigned. Cool? Okay, guys, can't wait to see what you've got. I'm probably like sleeping or something after like a long day hanging out at the Mediterranean. So, hope you all are well. Have a good weekend. Enjoy your extra day. Okay, deuces.